So hello guys, in this video I'm teaching you guys how I fix this face from this to this with I think 5 easy steps. Just 5 easy steps. So we start without me wasting much of your time. Let's get started. So welcome back guys. Heading straight into Photoshop. We will duplicate our layer. You duplicate your layer first, Ctrl J. Then you pick your rectangular marquee tool, M, with the M. So you just look for the part of the face you want, either the left part or the right part. Me, I'm going to go with this part. Is it the left part to you or the right part to me? So I'm just going to pick the center. This is the center. You zoom out a little bit. This is the center. Just select this part, then you press your Ctrl J to duplicate the selected layer. Ctrl J. So now this is selected. Just this part is selected. So what we're going to do is we're going to flip it. Then we'll press our Ctrl T or Command T or your mark. Then flip horizontally. That's it. With your picker tool, with your move tool V, you move it to the left. Okay. Then you put on this. As you can see, we've gotten our face back. But now you're getting this line, yeah. So we have to fix that before we move on. So firstly we have to create a mask around the duplicated layer. So we press our marks tool. Then with our brush, with black as a foreground color, we're just going to erase. Opacity should be around 60, 80. So we're just going to erase, blending out the skin. Yeah, that's it. Easy steps. So that's it. So then we'll merge your layer, Ctrl Shift Alternate E. You know, in faces, the jaws are slimmer, so we'll have to fix that. We'll have to fix the jaw, we'll have to fix the lips, we'll have to fix the nose. So heading over to our liquify, filter, liquify, or Ctrl Shift X. We'll click the face to A. Then we reduce the lips a little bit, okay? Reduce the nose a little bit, okay? Then reduce the jaw. Then we'll have to reduce the face too. So this is before, this is after, this is before, this is after. I think we went too much. So in this nose we'll put it at 20 or 15. Okay? In this lips we'll put it at minus 30. Just a little bit. In the jawline, let's leave it as minus 33 and minus 20. So let's go before, after, before, after, before, after, before, after. Okay. So we should bear in mind that before this could work, we would have to have a symmetrical face. As the shot has to be, it has to be shot straight up. That's head face straight up. The two ears should be aligned evenly before this could work. If the face is slightly bent to the left or to the right, it's not going to work. If it's shot straight up, even if it's too up or too down, it's still going to work. So that's it. First things first. So let's go over the steps again. First things first, we'll duplicate your layer. Then we'll cut it and invert it. we'll cut it and flip it horizontally to create a direct mirror of the other part. Then we use our marks to clean the line showing so it could blend out a bit more. Then we'll use some liquify action to fix the face. So that is before, this is after, that's before, this is after, that's before, this is after, that's before, this is after. So this has brought us to the end of this particular video. This is just a quick face fix on Photoshop 2020. So I hope you guys learned a lot from this. Please do well to like, subscribe if you already have. Please subscribe, subscribe. Get me to 1,000 followers. I don't know, I'm still in 100 and something but at the time of doing this video. Thank you.